Here we go. 2016 Elite Best of Hockey Single Box Team Random Double Up Break number 55. First thing we're going to do is randomize the list of participants. Everybody's on here in the requested spot numbers. Starting with Darren 1, who had spot number 1. Down to Hooley, spot 15. This is where I doubled up the list, so Darren's also in 16. And Hooley in 30. Randomize this list 3 times. 1. Didn't click. 2. There we go. And 3. 3 times. Run through this quickly. Teams, all 30 NHL teams are on here in alphabetical order, starting with the Anaheim Ducks. All the way down to the Winnipeg Jets. Randomize this list 3 times. Good luck. 1. 2. And 3. Go through that quickly. I'm just going to copy and paste those lists in my spreadsheet. I'll read off everybody's team. Next Best of Hockey box break number 56 has been posted for tomorrow night. It's up on the website. All right, Hooley 85's got Washington, Kyle Carey Anaheim, Hooley Minnesota, Kyle Carey Buffalo, Hooley Detroit, Zims Vancouver, Darren Colorado, Hooley Florida, Steven Arizona and Philly, Nico Nashville, 11 Chicago, Steven Ottawa, Zims Pittsburgh and Edmonton, and Nico Columbus. Hooley Tampa Bay, Zims Dallas, Darren New York Islanders and New York Rangers. Hooley Calgary, 11 LA, Steven Toronto, Zims New Jersey. Hooley Boston, Darren Carolina, Hooley Winnipeg, Zims San Jose, Darren St. Louis, Montreal. Okay, here we go. Double up box break 55. Good luck. We got rookie for Buffalo. It's going to Kyle Carey. What do we got here? Make somebody happy. Who has this team? Oh, I see. We've got BVG Beckett Vintage Graded 7, 7980 Topps rookie card going to Edmonton. Wayne Gretzky. Going to Zims. Congrats. That is awesome. There you go, sir. Box break 55 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody. 56 tomorrow night.